Okay, hello everybody. Well, basically, I said that we were gonna fail this trend line here, but it looks like we went ahead and popped above it. Indicators are on this longer term hour chart are just kind of going up here ever so slightly. Now, let's just dive into this. Let's see, I'm gonna draw a channel that it's gonna have to continue this pace on. Whoops. Well, I don't know. This doesn't really look too strong. We're floating at the top. This kind of reminds me of yesterday's activity of trading, where we just kind of floated along completely overbought until we just kind of crested out and where I called that we were changing directions. Similarly, today we are heading up. I just expected this to continue, not to get strong. We have this overhead trend line coming through. So if we're breaking this trend line, this is pretty important. With that being said, this could easily set off this next bull move higher, but I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure here. Um, I can't believe it. The stock cone freaking ran today. Ran like hell. Looks like a Chinese company. I've heard of the company. I've traded it before. Um, you know, back in the day it was like a penny stock almost, and now it's freaking at $9. It's crazy how like over time, just some of these stocks just get, bought up. Oh my God! So it looks like the spike was from $4 to well, really six. Five to nine. I would say that this movement is almost done here, but it's gone 81%. I don't know. And I was all excited about my silly little trade I made this morning on Kerr. Uh, what do we got going on? I don't know. This is kind of just floating along here. I don't really trust these markets. Let's look at longer time frames. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait on this 10-minute. See, like it looks like the pace is slowly starting to. Well, this is a nice big green candle. This 10-minute. So we're waiting on a 10-minute to start decreasing. On the 5-minute, we've decreased, but we've been flatlining and kind of just staying at this position while being overbought. We're about to headbang at this trend line here. It's weird because trend line 3, let me just see. On a 1-minute, it shows the trend line that we've passed it. But on a 5-minute, it shows that we haven't passed it. Let's see, is this trend line 3? Trend line 3. This don't make sense. I don't know, I'm a little confused. But I'm curious to see where this goes. I don't know if we could trust it. I don't think we can. I say we're overbought, and the price action dictates that it's like inching higher. The bears just aren't taking it down. Once this starts to lose steam, I'm pretty sure it'll come down. Look, you can't even see the MACD. You can't even see the MACD, ladies and gents. It's just nothing, nil. Well, we're pretty high, and that's that. Expect this to continue to follow this channel for now until we start to lose pace. By that time, I will get you guys. By that time, I will get you guys a video in telling us where the market's going. I'm probably gonna get lunch like pretty soon after this video is up. I want to go ahead and show you the inventories, which are a bad number. Again, prior was zero point 0.9, so we're having more inventories. A 1% gain. That's versus zero point 0.9. Inventories are up, yet producer price index is up. That's kind of crazy, isn't that? That I think this is a deflationary stage here, and that means that the cost of things are going, well, no. This is where that's inflation we're experiencing. The price is going up. But the deflationary means that you have less money, so you have less money to pay on goods, so therefore the price of goods is going to come down, and therefore the supply of goods is going to come down. So if the supply increased and the price increased, that means there's a big jump in inflation somewhere. We are going to get these MBAs for April. We're going to get the CPI. We're going to get crude invents. We're going to get the FOMC minutes. That's fucking critical. And we're going to get the Treasury budget. So really expect those FOC minutes to come out. That's at 2 p.m. I don't know if they're going to have what's going on, but I don't know if they'll release. I don't know how they'll release it. Looks like CUR and Cone are dropping off. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna run. I can't believe I missed Cone. You know, I messed up my scanner and it just didn't scan properly or scanning what I thought it was scanning. So that's okay. At least I made some money today. All right, well that's that, guys. Wholesale inventory is more than expected. You know, this economic data is continuing to get worse and worse and worse. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and let's do this. As of April 5th, 2.3, down from 2.8, 2.3. I mean, I might have commented there before, but you know, we could go much lower. We can go below that too. Well, that's that, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're absolutely fighting to stay above this trend line, which is a very bullish sign, but let's see if this pace can continue. I doubt it. I think this is probably where we're going to start breaking the trend. But who knows? You know, I could be dead wrong. I could be dead wrong. And I'm going to look into, guys, making a new page for you to look at. That's one chart where I could go over stuff where, you know, it's much less, not confusion, but much less things going on that's not being focused on. Like I'm focusing on the comp all the time, and S&P and Dow kind of get left out a lot of the time. So if I make it so more people would be able to use it better, then I probably should look into making it better for the people to use. Well, thank you very much, guys. I will see you after lunch. Hopefully things turn around here. It's funny, we're gonna have turnaround Tuesday. Like we turned around once, turn around again, and then who the fuck knows when we're going from there. But I see a curling motion going on here in the oh yeah, on this 10 minute. Yeah, so the cracks are showing here on a 10 minute. We're starting to break away. On the 5 minute, we should absolutely be coming down. Yeah, we're just sliding down. And it's exactly like freaking yesterday. Look at this, guys. And look at this. This was this morning. Let's just slide down. Look at this 5 minute. Same thing. Absolutely crazy that we're just overbought, and we're going to probably sell off. That's my theory. I don't know if it's going to come true, but that's that. Thank you very much, guys. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. You guys should too. Take care.